Here we have a Volkswagen Tiguan SE, 2 litre TDI, 150 PS DSG. Now as you can see, the car is in great condition and it comes with many features. These include adaptive cruise control with front assist, tinted rear windows, automatic LED headlights and an electronic parking brake with autohold. It also comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, as well as a spacious boot with a spare wheel. The interior includes an 8-inch colour touchscreen display, wireless app connect and 3-zone climate control. For more information, feel free to phone, email or pop in to Western Volkswagen Newbridge.